Tell me anything about the early people in the Philippines.
Itas, Indonesians, the Negritos,
Who are the Negritos?
the Itas. And
Can you
if
tell-
there's a battle, they make their arrows poisoning. So it's more deadly.
Can you tell me more about them? The people, the
Their
early.
black skin and kinky hair and flat roof. Pango sila.
Yes. How about what you said a while ago? The other,
The other,
yeah. The Indonesian? What about the Indonesian?
they make the San Augusto Church. San,
Can you tell me more about the Indonesian who traveled here in the Philippines?
they ride ships.
Okay. Tell me anything about Rizal.
He died. He traveled a long time and visit his mother in Quezon.
Yes. And what else? Who is Rizal?
Our pabansang bayani.
What is his full name?
Sasabihin ko na naman po, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart.
Who? What is the full name of Rizal?
Rizal.
What is the name of our pambansang bayani?
Who's Rizal?
Rizal. Tell me more about Rizal. I want to know more about him.
He was also put into jail. And he was writing something. That's all.
What do you...
And then he also write Noli Metangere.
What is...
Right? It's just like a Korean word. That's not.
What is a Noli Metangere? What does it mean?
Touch me not.
Touch me not. What
Right,
is the
so-
story about Noli...
Rizal.
No, what is the story about Noli Metangere?
It is about the Philippines and the Spaniards. And then Crisostomo and Ibarra and Maria Clara and Elias and his friend.
What do you remember about Rizal's story when he was still young?
He lived on Binyan. And then he goes to Manila.
Okay. Now we are in geography. What do you know about the place that you live in?
Manila and Philippines. In Luzon, in Western Luzon,
So where do you live?
in Southeast Asia.
Okay. So tell me more. Where do you live? Where do you live?
In Manila, and the province is that Manila.
Where is your province? What is the name of your province?
Barangay 84. Montserrat Street. And then Morning Breeze. And then my home, Indang, is in Nara Street. And the province is Indang. Indang, Cavite. And then southeast in Kaikui 2. That.
Okay. Tell me about Intramuros.
Intramuros is in